Peace and blessings on the children this year. The Queen Quet, head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Oh, they've been a bless up day right here with all this kind of creation. We've been to the first Gullah Geechee create coastal removal, engaging artists through the environment, arts work showcase right here at the Penn National Landmark Historic District and the Reconstruction Era Historical Park on historic St. Helena Island, South Kakalaki, right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. This day brought out all kind of people from everywhere, all different states and things been here, numerous agencies and organizations been here, allies and Gullah Geechee friends. Why? To celebrate with who we be. And we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. So it's been a blessed up first day of Black History Month for true. So honey children, we sailing right along. And next, we bringing Gullah Geechee Create Showcase on up the creek on and things like that. We going to be in Conway, February the 22nd. And then Saturday, March the 29th, we coming to North Chat. Yes, the South Carolina coast. Y'all gonna have to join we, cause you know with me, and on the day with me, I'm gonna know this year what's going on. So peace, love, and blessings on the children. This year the Queen Quet, keep creating, stay blessed, stay strong.